Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Flash Slug in Subnautica 2. Flash Slugs can be found in the areas on the other side of the trench. To find the Flash Slugs, we first have to start here on the alien ruins. The key landmark we are going to be following are these big purple roots that lead to the angel combs. Around the areas of 300 meters of depth right near the roots, you can find the slugs just floating. You'll know you've found the right creature if it burns your eyes out when you get near it. Before collecting it, make sure to scan it as well to add to your databank in the PDA. And that's about it on how to find Flash Slug in Subnautica 2. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.